How to make Instagram account private account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account a private account. So first of all, you just need to go to Instagram, and then after going to Instagram, what you need to do is that you have to click on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Now here you have to click on the uh profile sorry, three dot. Just click on three dot, and if you go to settings here, if you scroll down and if you click here, and you can see you will not be able to set private because your account is business account. So what you need to do is that you have to go back to this profile icon, click on this three dot on the top right corner, click on settings. Now here you have to click on creator tools and controls. Simply click here and scroll down. Now here you have to click on switch account type. Simply click on switch account type, and here you can see switch to business account. Just tap on it and then just hold in it. Just click to switch to professional account, and it will take a few moments to load the page. Until that, please subscribe to the channel. So now here it's done. Just go back here on the profile icon, click on this three dot, and then now you click on settings and privacy, and then just scroll down, and here you can see account privacy. Just tap on account privacy, and you can see now your account has been private. So now I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.